Good afternoon everyone, and greetings from the School of Physics and Astronomy at the University of Glasgow. My name is Professor Martin Hendry and I'm the head of the School of Physics and Astronomy, and I'm an astrophysicist who works in the study of planets, of stars, of galaxies. And it's a great pleasure to hear of the Space Day you've been having at Glasgow Academy today, and I'm just really sorry that I can't be there with you in person to see the fruits of your explorations and your investigations. I was invited to come along at the end of the day to have a look at what you've been working on, but I'm afraid when you're having your exhibition at the end, I will be on a train to London. I've been invited to a lecture at the Institute of Physics in London, so I'm sorry I can't be there in person. Now, the lecture I'm going to is by Professor Martin Rees, Lord Rees, who used to be the Astronomer Royal and the President of the Royal Society, which is the most prestigious academy of scientists in Britain. And Lord Rees is going to be talking tonight about our understanding of the universe, some of the big questions that we try to answer as we study the universe around us. His talk is called From Mars to the Multiverse. So it's ranging from everything between exploring our own solar system and trying to understand more about the planets that go around our star, all the way to theories of not just even our own universe, but the possible existence of other universes beyond our own. Now, Lord Rees has worked on all of those things. He's been a famous scientist for a very long time, and there are many questions that he doesn't know the answer to, and that's where we're looking to the next generation of scientists studying space and studying all aspects of our universe to maybe try and answer those questions for us. Maybe some of you saw in the news this morning that there's a mission proposed to go to Mars, maybe as soon as 2018, where we're going to send 2 human beings on a return trip to Mars. Now, I don't know whether that's really going to happen, and I'm not sure if I would want to be stuck on board a spaceship for 500 days anyway, but we do have a great passion for finding out things about the universe around us. In fact, for many years we've had little robot vehicles exploring the surface of Mars. There's a big rover vehicle called Curiosity, the Mars Science Laboratory, that's been exploring the surface of Mars more recently. And as we look out into the far away universe and we try to understand the most distant galaxies that tell us things about how our universe began and maybe even how our universe might end, well, one thing I've learned over all my years of being an astronomer, being a physicist, is that actually the real universe is, if anything, even weirder and stranger and more puzzling and exciting than anything that science fiction has been able to dream up. So if we look at all the science fiction films that we've watched over the years, and maybe you're fans of them too, just like I am, then we see weird and wonderful aliens, we see strange planets, we see spaceships flying between those worlds. Well, who knows, maybe within your lifetime we might be discovering real life on real planets in our own solar system or beyond. So I hope you've enjoyed this chance to find out a little bit about space in your project work today. And as I said, I'm very sorry I can't be with you there in person, but I'll be thinking about you as I travel down to Lord Rees's lecture tonight on Mars to the Multiverse.